Hi, this is Advisor Mom Lisel again for Ask Advisor Mom Tuesday. Say hi, baby.
Hi!
Our question for tonight is, what if biglang tumigil ang income mo? Hindi naman necessarily forever. Pwedeng nagkasakit ka, na aksidente, or may unexpected na nangyari. For few days, manageable pa. What if naging weeks or months? Anong mangyayari? Kaya ba ng family mo? Magbayad pa rin ng bills? May panggastos pa rin ba for your child's needs? Or may enough savings ba para makaraos dun sa sitwasyon na yon? And this is where I think financial planning becomes really important.
Yeah, it is.
Kasi kapag sinabi nating financial planning, usually ang naisip natin is saving and investing. Pero bago pa tayo makarating doon, kailangan din natin tanungin, paano ko po protektahan yung income na umaasa sa pamilya ko? Pwedeng through emergency fund, pwedeng through health or life protection, or maybe combination ng iba't ibang strategies. And the answer will be different for every family. Depende sa income mo, sa mga taong umaasa sa'yo, sa savings mo, sa goals mo, and most importantly, kung ano yung kaya mong i-maintain. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala na pwede nating sabihin agad, ito ang amount ng insurance na kailangan mo. I think we need to understand the situation first, kasi ang goal naman isn't to get the biggest plan. Ang goal is to have the right protection for the life you are actually living. So, kung you're wondering saan ka pupunta magsisimula, you can always message me. No pressure, no obligation, just a conversation. Again, I'm Advisor Mom Lisel, and I believe financial planning starts with understanding and not selling. See you again for the next Ask Advisor Mom Tuesday. Bye!
Bye!